The RhinoRack Dome 1300 awning is unlike anything I have seen. Its footprint is small when it is on the car, so it doesn't hang off the sides of my Pioneer platform when mounted to the rear. It folds out like a trapezium to provide extra coverage at its furthest point away from the car. Most importantly, it has the ability to pop up the roof to the shape of a dome and provide a huge amount of headroom under the awning. Not only does it provide headroom, but gone are the days of poking the massive swimming pool gathered on the awning's roof and getting everything wet within a 12-kilometre radius. The legs are light, telescopic, and relatively sturdy without needing to tie it down, provided there is absolutely no wind around and the ground is soft. Setting up the dome part of the awning was time consuming, as the fresh canvas has not yet had time to stretch, especially in the places where the poles bend. This made it quite difficult to form the dome shape of the awning. However, since filming this video, I can say that the canvas has stretched a bit and it wasn't as difficult to form the dome the next time. Although these are initial impressions, I really like this awning. There isn't a huge amount of information about this awning. The only video I could find on it were product demonstrations for retailers to demonstrate how to set it up. So this purchase for me is somewhat risky. It took a lot of research to find a company that actually had the item in stock, because all the online stores had it listed, but when I went to buy it, it said that it wasn't in stock. It is one of the last new dome awnings in the country, as this product has been discontinued to make room for the new Sunseeker range, which weirdly enough does not include a dome option in the lineup. I'm not sure if this is a good thing or a bad thing. I'm looking forward to using this awning on a few trips I have planned over the next 6 weeks. Once I feel like I have all of the information I need, I'll make a follow-up video where I'll review the awning. If you have any questions at all, put them in the comments section below and I'll do my best to answer them unless someone beats me to it. I've been on a roll with weekly videos lately, so if you haven't subscribed yet, you really should do that. Probably one of the main questions I suppose I'll get is, where did I actually end up purchasing this from? I ended up getting it from Autobarn in Smithfield. The guys there are really good with any questions that I have, and I did notice that on the Autobarn website that they had the awning was down in southern Queensland somewhere, and the next ones were in WA or wherever it was, and they were able to actually bring it up for me up here to Cairns. So I am very grateful for them for doing that for me. I did have to pay a little bit in postage, but that's okay. And but if you guys are in the Smithfield area or around the Cairns area, make sure you drop into Autobarn at Smithfield. They've always been really helpful for me. Alrighty guys, that's about it from me. So I will see you next week for another weekly video.